Dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to digital class. Rajinder Kaur here. I am going to present new chapter 12 named Symmetry and Pattern. First we will discuss about symmetry. In this chapter your aim is to achieve the following goals about the symmetry. Vertical axis of symmetry, horizontal axis of symmetry, both axes of symmetry, no axis of symmetry, one line of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, and more than two lines of symmetry. What is symmetry? When a shape or a figure is divided into two parts of equal shape and size, we call the shape or figure symmetrical. This phenomena is called symmetry. Symmetry is something that we observe in many places in our daily lives without even noticing it. It is easily noticeable in various arts, buildings, and monuments. Nature uses symmetry to make things beautiful. Symmetry in every day refers to a sense of beautiful proportion and balance. Have you ever thought about an artist make a masterpiece through his artistry? Everything made by an artist is the perfect line of symmetry. Nature uses symmetry to make things beautiful. For example, consider the pictures of the butterfly and the leaf. Let's take an example of human symmetry is the kidneys, lungs, and the brain. If you draw a line or slice these organs in half, you will have a mirror image of the other. Taken one more example. Human face. When you will draw a line through the center, then you will see both the sides of the face are same. Means human face is symmetrical. All these shapes are symmetrical. In each figure, a line is dividing the figure into two equal halves. The line which divides a shape or figure into two identical halves is called the axis of symmetry. I repeat, the line which divides a shape or figure into two equal halves, two identical halves, is called the axis of symmetry. Here we will talk about vertical axis of symmetry, horizontal axis of symmetry, both axes of symmetry, and no axis of symmetry. What is the name of this line? Yes, this is the vertical line. What about this? This is known as horizontal line. Look at the shape of the heart. Draw an imaginary line passing horizontally through the center. See, are both sides the same?
No.
Yes, no. Both sides are not the same. Now draw a line passing vertically through the center. Are both sides the same? Yes. The heart shape has only one axis of symmetry. A shape can have vertical axis of symmetry, horizontal axis of symmetry, or both. It depends on the shape. Some shapes or figures have horizontal, some have vertical, and some have both, and some have none. Look at a few letters of the English alphabet. A. Having only one axis of symmetry, that is vertical axis of symmetry. B. Only one axis of symmetry, that is horizontal axis of symmetry. O. Having two axes of symmetry, vertical also, horizontal also. J, no axis of symmetry. We could not divide J into two equal halves. Let us now make a word using letters with horizontal axis of symmetry. Let's take choice. I have drawn the line, or we can say horizontal axis of symmetry, to divide it into two equal halves. CHOICE. Now we will discuss about symmetry in plane shapes. Plane shape also have symmetry. A plane shape is said to be symmetrical about a line if the line divides the shape into two equal halves. Some shapes have only one line of symmetry, some have two, and some have even more. The triangle see this triangle, has only one line of symmetry. If we want to divide any other way, the pieces will not match each other. Look at this triangle. It has three equal sides named equilateral triangle. Three equal sides means it has three lines of symmetry. Look at this shape, rectangle. It can divide into two equal halves having two lines of symmetry. Some of the shapes are having more than two symmetrical lines, three lines of symmetry, four lines of symmetry. There are some shapes which are not symmetrical at all. When an object has symmetry, we call it is symmetrical. When an object has no symmetry, we say that it is asymmetrical. When a figure is symmetrical, the other half of the figure can be drawn by looking at the given half. Now we will revise all the contents again.
Look at this star. Now let's fold this figure in half. You will notice both the halves match each other exactly. If you can fold a figure in half so that two halves exactly match, the figure is said to be symmetrical. Fold line is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Here line AG is one such line of symmetry. The others are line BH, line CI and the line EKFL. Thus we say star has 6 lines of symmetry. I repeat, see this star has 6 lines of symmetry. Now let's draw the line of symmetry in rectangle. Here we can divide the rectangle into two equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus we say rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Let's take an example of apple. An apple, we can say we cannot divide an apple into two equal halves because its shape does not remain the same. Let's take a letter A. We can divide the letter into two equal halves by folding it vertically. Thus we say letter A has one line of symmetry. Coming to the last figure, number 0. Here we can divide number 0 into two equal halves by folding it vertically or horizontally. Thus we say that number 0 has two lines of symmetry.